some renovations at the Bistro. We decided that we wanted to take out some tables and we wanted to redecorate, make it more of a southern theme, a bit more elegant. One of the main things that we did was we took out some of our seating because we have a beautiful dining area and sitting areas. We've made more use of our large space. All of the tables are a little bit further apart. It gives you some privacy. So this is like our northern corner. Now the reason I love the moose is because we're from Canada, and so I wanted to bring a part of our northern heritage down here. This is our south corner. We have the magnolias and the cotton, and we have some old windows that came out of a house in Brooksville. So one of the other renovations that we did was we changed the theme a little bit, and we tried to get over the color scheme in the grays. I don't know if many of you know this, but this building is from 1915. So one of the reasons why we wanted to do the renovation was to see the beautiful historic brick. And the ceiling is completely original. Here at the Bistro, we change up our menu quite often, especially our dinner menu. We like to change our menu seasonally, and we do change it up a lot when we see something new and exciting at the farmer's market. We have expanded our wine selection. We'd love for you to come in and try some of our new wines that we have available. We would love for you to come in and savor your time here. We're not in a rush. You're not in a rush. We would love for you to sit, spend time with your friends and family, and take time and enjoy your evening. Everything that we do here at the Bistro is for you, our diners, our customers. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much.